Hi, beading buddies. I am so glad you stopped by. Our host, Deb Hauk, chose some delightful gemstones and colors for us to use this month. However, since I only used what I have in my stash, I didn't have all that I needed. I used what I could though. Here is a list to show the stones and colors. I hope you enjoy what I have created. And don't forget to stop by the other ladies' channels to see what they've made for this month. These beachy little earrings are made using gold tone wire hooks, tiny silver spacer beads, faux turquoise starfish, 10mm carnelian gemstones, and salmon-colored 6mm glass pearls. I think they're so cute. Perfect for a day in the sun. These are a long, dangly pair of boho earrings. I used gold tone wire hooks, 6mm turquoise color howlite beads, cream-colored elongated faceted crystal beads, mother of pearl scalloped frames, 10mm carnelian beads hub between 6mm turquoise color howlite beads. This is a 7-inch stretch bracelet. It has 8mm floral beads, 10mm carnelian gemstones, cream-colored elongated faceted beads, 7mm faceted turquoise color crystals, 6mm silver tone Hippie beads, 5mm dark teal chevron beads, and a mother of pearl dangle. It can be worn alone or might look nice with the earrings. This is the list of all the participants in this collaboration. Please visit them to see what they have created. I'm always inspired by their creativity. Did you like the video? It would make my day if you would leave me a thumbs up. Better yet, why don't you leave me a comment? I really appreciate positive critique and helpful advice. I hope to see you all again next month for the next collaboration. Be happy and share a smile. Most of all, may God bless you.